Gold against US dollar this week has dropped in value, but the price was bouncing between this resistance and the support level between this area, and we can see for several days the price was trying to make a bullish breakout above, where there was a high chance the price will make a bullish breakout, but we can see that on a Thursday the price formed this bearish breakout going below this area of support and continued to fall in value on the Friday. What has happened on the Friday? The price formed this bullish bounce from this area of this confluence of support, and the price was trying to reach higher price levels, but we can see the price has reached this area, a small area of resistance. The weekly time frame shows me that we are in the bearish week, because this week has closed with the bearish candle. And what we can see on the monthly, the month is still on. We have only 1 week that has passed this month, so everything's still open. We'll see what happens, but we can see that very important support level is right here at 2632 visible here. What will happen around this area to 2630? We will see what happens on the daily time frame, because also the daily and also the weekly and the monthly time frame are not very clear, but the daily is pretty clear how the price behaves. We can see that the price needs to hold, not dropping further down, or in order to prevent further decline, or this area of resistance needs to hold to prevent the price from rising in value. So for now, I'm not making any conclusions, because I need to see the price going outside of this area of this resistance or this support. The price is currently bouncing back up and down, so it is indecision on the market. I'm waiting outside to see how the price behaves. But if you take a look here on the 4-hour time frame, how the price has formed this bearish breakout, we can see that the price has dropped down, reaching this area of support, this confluence of support, bouncing back up and trying to make a bullish breakout above this area. It was failed, then dropped down, and currently we are here again below this area of resistance. So what we can expect on the 4-hour time frame, currently what I can see is that I'm expecting that the price will drop in value again, reaching an area around support here and potentially reaching again an area of this one, which will be again confluence of support. So we will see how the price behaves on the lower time frames, so like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, how the price makes a bearish or bullish breakout. But we can see the price was jumping all the time up and down, which was not a very clear direction. So we'll see how the price behaves on a Monday. We need to pay attention, because these bounces can also be false one, making a bearish or bullish breakout like this one. It was a failed bullish breakout with the candle going further down, reaching again lower levels. So during the day, I will also share these small breakouts on the lower time frame, which will also be direction for the higher time frames where the price is heading. This will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check the link below to join to receive these daily updates. Another thing I would like to mention is that I also have a giveaway where I give you 3 trading accounts, $300, $200, and $100. with my broker Blueberry Markets. If you would like to join that giveaway, because I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers in the next period, feel free to like and also subscribe to this channel, share with others, and open a trading account with 1 trade open to be able to participate in this giveaway. More informations are below. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.